How to buy Solana SOL on Phantom Wallet step by step. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Solana and how you're going to be buying it for yourself on your Phantom Wallet. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your Phantom Wallet, as I am over here. And once you're on it, what you're simply going to be doing is right down here from your currencies, you're going to choose Solana, and right about here it's going to show you what the current exchange rate is for Solana. And once you have seen all of that, simply click on buy. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add the amount of Solana you want to buy. So let's say I want 10 Solana. All right, so you're going to do that. And once you have done that, what's going to happen from here is you are simply going to go ahead, wait for the Solana exchange rate to load up, make sure that everything is appropriate, and generally it should generate any type of quotes for you that will allow you to buy the Solana token. Now, you can also start staking it, which will help you earn rewards from staking the tokens for Solana, but the main way to buy it is through this section. And that is pretty much how you're going to be buying Solana for yourself on Phantom Wallet. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.